теплую больничку. Куда?
Unbelievable. In the 9th day of the Kursk incursion, Russian army is still crumbling. About 100 Russian troops, basically an entire company, surrendering to Ukraine in Kursk Oblast. We have never seen anything like this before. Special forces of the Security Service of Ukraine captured exactly 102 Russian soldiers in the Kursk region. I Want to Live project reports that, in total, the SBU Special Forces captured 102 servicemen of the 488th Guards Motorized Rifle Regiment and Kadyrov's Akhmat unit. This is the largest one-time catch since the beginning of the full-scale invasion of Ukraine. "102 Russians were captured on August 14th in a well-fortified and concreted stronghold in the Kursk region, now property of Ukrainian armed forces, an inside view of the underground tunnel network from which Russians surrendered in Russia's Kursk region. The number of Russians captured in Kursk likely reaches into the hundreds by this point, with most of them being 488th MRR conscripts. The capture of conscripts is a bigger political problem for the Kremlin, making them more valuable for Ukraine in prisoner swaps."
Сергеевич нас завел, Параша. Прокапал. Генератор, да? Назад. Возьму. Рано можна заблудитися.
Ukrainian Ombudsman Dmitry Lubinets said that Russia had initiated a prisoner exchange for the first time since the start of a full-scale military invasion of Ukraine. According to him, this is due to the situation in the Kursk region. Most likely, they want their Akhmat boys back. Ukraine claimed to have shot down a Russian fighter jet on Wednesday as Kyiv's forces escalated the biggest foreign incursion suffered by Russia since the Second World War. Kyiv's military said its forces destroyed the Russian Su-34 aircraft overnight in the Kursk region while carrying out a combat mission. The Russians released helicopter guncom footage of them taking out a convoy with guided missiles. But there is only one nuisance. It was their own convoy. Clowns.
Заряжай. Первая прямая. Вторая прямая, ход.
We have already reported earlier that in search of new meat for the front, Given the declining flow of volunteers, Russia began to recruit people with criminal records, promising them cancellation of their criminal records if they signed a contract. This is confirmed by the VCHK OGPU, stating that the Ministry of Defense is deceiving these people, promising not to send them to assault detachments. Ukraine will create military command posts in the Kursk region if necessary, said President Zelensky. Trophied tanks T-90M and T-73B3 in service with the armed forces of Ukraine in the Kursk region. Russians in Kursk, after more than 2 years of war, are beginning to understand what they have gotten themselves into as they are forced to hold weddings to the sound of an air siren. Russian propagandist Mardan. In 50 years, European cities will cease to be targets for Russian nuclear missiles because there will be nothing there. The same Germany or France could very likely turn into something similar to what, let's say, Riga is today. It is a desert without any chance of revival.
Где в этом будущем находится там пресловутая Прибалтика или вот эти вот цели для российских ядерных ракет, я, честно говоря, не знаю. Я думаю, что горизонт планирования здесь максимум 50 лет, а через 50 лет европейские города даже перестанут быть целями. Или, возможно, перестанут быть целями для российских ядерных ракет, потому что там ничего не будет. Там просто ничего не останется. И та же самая Германия или та же самая Франция с большой вероятностью могут превратиться в нечто подобное, что из себя сегодня представляет, ну, какая-нибудь условная Рига. Ну, вы давно были в Риге? Я относительно недавно там был. В общем, она и тогда производила совершенно удручающее впечатление. А люди, которые там когда-то жили, ну, при советской власти и уехали, и все равно ездили, то есть у них это вызывает, в общем, такие ментальные судороги от того, что произошло с их, в общем, там родным городом. Это все, это пустыня, без всякого шанса на возрождение.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.